Ayan, buti tinakpan nila. So, hindi ka rin makita kasi ni-record ko itong ano kasi hindi ako maka-screen record nang dahil full memory na ako. So, kailangan kong screen record and then i-post ko ito ulit kasi after this live video, you cannot see the comment. Okay? So, I mix some screenshot or screen record video, pero this is not screen video record. This is a video. I make this video here in the other phone so that this one I want to see the comment here. So thank you so much, guys. I want to shout out first. Wait a while. I need to use my second eye so that I can see your comments who are commented. So shout out to Regina Bisagar Bailon. Thank you so much for watching. Yung FB name ko ay pinopost ko na dyan. Pinapakita ko na yung FB name ko. Shout out to Arlinda Manalang. Hello, hi. Di ko alam kung ano, mawala ito. Yung lahat ng mga comment niyo pagka nawawala siya eh. Hindi kagaya sa Facebook na nandoon. Teka, saglit ha. Wait, baka mabigla tayong mawala. Shout out to John Mir Carmin. Ang message niya ay I am subscribed to you. So, thank you so much, madam. Ito naman si Regina Bisagar Bailon. Sabi niya, Rose, ano po ang kung hindi nyo ma-search, hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi nyo ma-search yung pangalan ko sa Facebook. Hindi ko alam. Baka mali yung nasulat nyo, mga big letter or ayun, hindi nyo ako ma-search. Kung mayroong lalabas na mga profile ko dyan, yung mga ibang profile ko ay nakalock na po yan sa Facebook. Hindi ko na yun ma-open. So, ang Facebook account ko ngayon at saka Facebook page ay 3, 4, 5, parang 6 lahat yung account na active. Okay? So, ayan, sino pa? Bend over, we want videos from you. Bend over, you want my videos? I have many videos uploaded in my YouTube. What videos you want? What content you want? Okay? So you can watch all my videos there in YouTube. I have around 2,000 videos I uploaded there. So you can watch what video you want about the Crown Prince Hamdan Fasa, about his pic profiles in Facebook. You can choose there. So Regina Bisagar Bailon, sabi mo i-add mo na lang ako. Paano kita i-add? Wala ka namang Facebook profile. Wala. Tingnan mo yung misis mo, inaano na ng YouTube Add mo Nabi. Okay, I try. So guys, at 36 minutes and 28 seconds, so I need to turn off this live video. So see you next time. Mabuhay Pilipinas and happy New Year 2025. God bless sa ating lahat na sana magtagumpay tayo sa lahat ng ating mga gawain, lalong-lalo sa ating mga pamilya sa Pilipinas. Ayun, lahat na, wishes, lahat. Bye-bye. Ayan. This is my live videos in YouTube ha. Inaano ko na ha. Ayan, 36 minutes. super chat. Walang nagbibigay ng super sticker sa akin. So, thank you. Kahit wala, thank you pa rin. May nanood. Merong 4 pick. Ano itong pick? 50 views agad. Thank you so much. 36 minutes and 49 seconds. Maraming salamat po sa suporta and sa pag-subscribe nyo sa akin. Maraming salamat. Yan, matagal natin makikita yung ano na yan. Kasi mataas yung video. So, naka-process siya. Hindi ko alam kung kailan siya mapapublish ni YouTube. So, thank you so much for watching. And pakita ko sa inyo yung YouTube channel ko. Ayan. Para malaman ninyo lahat. Ayan, pakita ko. Yan. Ayan siya. Ito yung pinoprofile ko dahil yan. Send yan sa aking kachat noon na fake Faza. Ayan. So, ayan. Yan ang buong katotohanan. So, i-check natin itong more. Kita nyo yung more yan. O nakikita nyo yan. So, you can see all the links of my Facebook account, my TikTok, and my official page, and of course, my Instagram. Did you see? So, how you see that? You cannot see my profile. So, I have this one, and you can see this one. I have QR code. You can see. You can touch this one. I can see this in my roll camera, so it's easy for you to see my YouTube channel. So now it's already saved in my gallery. So guys, I want to show you. I have now 1,089,763 views. I started joining the YouTube channel last November 4, 2022. So okay. So this is all my link, my official Facebook account, Facebook page. This is my Facebook page, Sell ITV and Sell Rosie 12. This is my Instagram, Pasa.3561. We are two here before, but I don't know if he's still using this one. Because I want to delete this, but I cannot delete. And then I have this one. This is me. It's him also. And this is Sell Rosie 12 is mine. I have new Instagram account. I want to add it here soon, later if I have enough time. And this is my TikTok. This is my TikTok. You want to see? Wait a while. So cannot found it here. I don't know. I hear you need to wait. So it's okay. You can see. So